are
the Plentiful Tasty Growing Station.
Here's a small amount of background information. So before us, NASA actually created a veggie-like system called Veggie, which was able to produce the first plants in space. However, there was complications regarding it, so they weren't successful.
It is important to have vegetables in space as they help the astronauts maintain their health. However, due to the lack of gravity, the plants often have great amount of stress. To combat this issue, we invented the Plentiful Tasty Growing Station.
The Plentiful Tasty Growing Station, or the PT Growing Station, is a pull-out-door system that can be embedded into the International Space Station walls. Along the top, there are sprinklers that dispense 2 tablespoons of water a day. It is sprouted onto a super absorbent cloth so the water is attracted to it, as well as a humidifier to extract the remaining water so mold does not grow.
Along with this, there are red and blue lights that align the top of the roof of the PT Growing Station. Their measurements are 12 by 24 by 24. This will help astronauts be able to eat healthier without the cost.
The fruits and veggies we will grow are potatoes, rutabaga, chia seeds, and carrots. They're all ones tasteful and really good for us.
This is important because astronauts need the necessary amount of nutrients to help sustain their bodies. But they don't get the amount that they need through freeze-dried foods. So we decided to combat this by making a product that helps them with the amount of nutrients they need, called Plentiful Tasty Growing Station.
Some positive and negatives of this is that that astronauts, they will be healthy because they have plenty of space. They will be healthy when they come down to Earth. Another positive is that the food is not vacuum dried, so vacuum sealed. So the foods will taste better than the freeze-dried foods. Some negatives are that the chia seeds take too long to grow, and so do the other foods. And another negative is that previous tries have always failed.
So on the board you can see many different pictures. For example, you have a picture on the left side of all the different veggies we will grow inside the Plentiful Tasty Growing Station. You also have a picture showing the red and blue lights that are used to help photosynthesize the plants. You also have a picture of the different freeze-dried foods that are available now for the astronauts, and you also have a picture of the 3D model.
So in conclusion, our solution will be the Plentiful Tasty Growing Station. This will be our solution to NASA's problem with growing plants in space, which they have tried in the past and failed. This will also help astronauts return back to Earth because they will have required vitamins and minerals that they would not get with freeze-dried food.
We are Space Junk, and this is our Plentiful Tasty Growing Station.